Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for beginners. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs. And then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Begin by bringing awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, counting to 4. And exhale slowly through your nose, counting to 6. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue inhaling to a count of 4 and exhaling to a count of 6. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Now move your attention to your body. Start with your toes. Notice any sensation you feel in your toes. And slowly work your way up, releasing any tension you encounter along the way. In your feet, ankles, lower legs, knees, upper legs, hips, back, stomach, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, face, mouth, and eyes. Notice how it feels to rest in total relaxation. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently guide your attention back to the sensation of your breath and the relaxation in your body. Now, take a few more deep breaths, inhaling to a count of 4, exhaling to a count of 6. With each exhale, imagine releasing any remaining tension or worry. Coming back to your body, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Remember, meditation is a practice. The more you return to it, the more it will become a source of relaxation and calm in your life. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute meditation. Have a wonderful day.